Streetlights trembling on the avenue, midnight painted silver blue. Every lonely storm I carried started fading next to you. Your voice was warmth in winter air, soft enough to heal despair. Like heaven breaking through the dark, you found the pieces everywhere. And every tear became a river, every scar began to glow. You pulled me from the static silence with the love I'd never known. I fall like rainfall into your love, crash like thunder from above. Every drop of me surrendering to the touch I dream of. Rainfall into your love, rainfall into your love. Clouds were hanging over me like ghosts that wouldn't let me breathe, but your hands became my shelter. Now your heart beats all I need. The sky turns gray, you turn the night to yesterday. And every broken road I walked led me straight into your grace. You made a wildfire out of ashes, turned my fear to something gold. And now the storm inside my chest feels like finally coming home. I fall like rainfall into your love, crash like thunder from above. Every drop of me surrendering to the touch I dream of. No more running from the flood, washed away the hurt and blood. Now I'm drowning in forever, rainfall into your love. If the world disappears tonight, if the stars all lose their light, I will still find my way to you. Through every storm the heavens knew. And if my soul begins to break, you're the dawn my shadows take. The calm beneath the roaring skies, the forever in my eyes. I fall like rainfall into your love, like rivers reaching oceans endless. Every heartbeat calling your name, like prayers inside the tempest. No more fear of letting go, you became the home I know. Now I'm drowning in forever, rainfall into your love. Rain keeps falling softly now, but I'm not afraid somehow, because every storm I've ever known led me straight into your love.